Hey everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so be sure to subscribe if that is what you're interested in. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop, or realistically how I make my own YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that actually comes to my mind when thinking of a good thumbnail to actually consider, well, to make, is thinking of a good background to use. So I'm just gonna. So normally what I do is I just just type in YouTube thumbnail background. And this is the part that is difficult because they all look. I don't know. They just. Yeah, it's weird. But the thing is, I know it's a good. I know the thumbnail background I want. It's just I don't. I'll know it's. I'll know I want it when I see it. If you know what I mean. So enjoy the next 1 to 2 minutes of me looking through images of backgrounds for a good. To use as a good thumbnail. There we are, so we've just got I got myself a thumbnail, background now. This is looking pretty nice, although it says full HD wallpaper, but it also says background image, so I'll put that into Photoshop. Let me just make that a new layer. And, well, realistically at this moment, I don't have to put any drop shadow, because that's what I always do when it comes to thumbnails. Now, what I need to do now is just mess around with the brightness. Ooh, that's looking really nice. Contrast. Ooh, okay. Now, this is what I do now. I fuck around with the exposure until until it looks good. Bit too dark. Vibrant. Yeah. Ooh, that looks icy, I guess. Looks like ice, I guess. Okay, I'm liking at the moment. Okay. Yeah. So, let me just. Oh fuck. Let me get a YouTube button. Well, the YouTube logo, essentially. Because there we are. If I don't speak as much in this video, it's because I'm concentrating on actually making a good thumbnail for this video. So, again, I would rather do it, actually create the thumbnail and have you guys watch me do it so that you know, instead of me just talking a lot of shit. What the fuck was I thinking there? What I could do now is add the Photoshop logo. Yep. Okay, not that fucking size, Jesus. Maybe I can just. They're about the same size, actually. Yeah, they're about the same size. There we are. Perfect. Now, I need to get a fucking mouse mouse pad, whatever the fuck they call it. Because I'm telling you what, this is annoying me. I got a little like line across, like on like 2 lines on the table. So you know, it's one of those like, I don't even know what you call them. Yeah. Right, so now text. How I actually no. I could do with the italic version of this. Italic, how you pronounce it. Oh my, I can't even spell right. How I create thumbnails. How I create thumbnails. Let me just increase the size of that. Okay, that's looking. Ooh, looking nice at the moment. Right, let me just put that. Perfect. Something about it I don't like. I don't know what it is, but there's just some. Oh, fucking hell, that's a bit too big. Okay, that's looking alright at the moment, I guess. Nope. Actually, I could actually work. I don't know though. Okay. There's something about that I actually kind of like. I don't know what it is, but there's something about that I really like. About the fact that it's literally rotated. I don't know what it is. Stroke. Meh. Nope. Alright, neither. Actually. Holy fucking hell. Holy shit. That actually looks fucking clickable in my eyes. That looks really clickable. I'm not gonna lie to you. That actually looks fucking nice. So I got the YouTube button on the thumbnail, and I got the Photoshop fucking logo on the thumbnail, and I got stroke on the text as well, and it's rotated. I don't know what it is, but I think that might actually get the clicks. And I'll know if that's actually, I'll know if my assumption is, you know, valid, correct. Judging by the analytics as well. The statistics of analytics of this video basically just tell me, it will basically give me all the answers I want. But fuck, it actually looks bang, fucking bang. That works. No, that fucking works. That actually looks nice. Would I click on that? Damn fucking right. And there's all that one again, and well, if you wanna actually, well, yeah. So this is all my somewhat naff thumbnails, but anyway. How I create thumbnails. Bang. Yeah, I always have the quality on maximum because I want the best quality thumbnail possible. Well, the best quality thumbnail. Let's have a look in my file explorer. So let's just go there a minute. So look. Let me just put it on full screen as well to see if I would actually click on something like that. Definitely fucking not hands down hands fucking down I would click. And no, I would. There's no. No. That grabs my attention off the bat. Right off the bat. Yeah. And that is essentially it. Okay everyone, that's basically how I make thumbnails for YouTube. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe for more. Leave a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow. If you have any questions or just general areas you think I should improve on, then be sure to leave them in the comment section below or message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care everyone.